Ever wondered how to make your travel smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable? In 2024, travel gadgets are more advanced than ever, blending convenience with cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving into the best gadgets to elevate your travel experience. From securing your luggage to staying connected, these are the must-have innovations for your next adventure. Ready to discover what's new? Let's get started. First up, smart luggage. Imagine arriving at the airport and instead of dragging a heavy suitcase, your smart luggage follows you around like a loyal pet. These high-tech suitcases feature GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and weight sensors to ensure you never exceed airline weight limits. Some models like Samsara Luggage even have fingerprint locks for added security. No more worrying about lost luggage or dead batteries. Price range: $200 to $1,200. Smart luggage doubles as a power bank, charging your phone, tablet, or laptop on the go. With built-in GPS tracking, you'll always know where your luggage is. Whether it's misplaced by the airline or forgotten in a hotel, you'll have peace of mind knowing its location. Next, portable language translators. Language barriers can make travel daunting, but devices like the Pocket Talk allow you to translate languages in real time. Speak into the device, and it instantly provides a translation.
Could I have a coffee with soy milk, please?
¿Podría tomar un café con leche de soja, por favor?
Ahora mismo.
It's perfect for navigating streets, ordering food, or haggling at markets. Price range: $100 to $300. Many of these translators work offline, so even in remote areas without internet, you can communicate easily. Whether you're in the mountains of Japan or deep in the Amazon, these devices make the world feel more connected. Number 3, noise-canceling headphones. On long flights or in noisy hotels, noise-canceling headphones are a must. Brands like Sony and Bose have mastered the art of blocking out unwanted noise. You can immerse yourself in music or just enjoy peace and quiet. Price range: $150 to $500. These headphones often feature touch controls, voice assistants, and ambient modes, allowing you to hear outside noise when needed. With 20 or 30 hours of battery life, they're ideal for long trips, and quick charge features ensure hours of playback with just a few minutes of charging. Number 4, portable power bank with solar charging. A portable power bank with solar charging, like the Anker PowerPort Solar, ensures your devices stay powered even in remote locations. Solar panels allow you to recharge the power bank using sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Price range: $50 to $300. With multiple USB ports, these power banks can charge several devices at once, and their rugged design withstands harsh outdoor conditions. For those who enjoy off-grid adventures but still want to capture moments on camera, these solar chargers ensure you're always powered up. Number 5, smart water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial while traveling, and smart water bottles like Hydrate Spark sync with your smartphone to track your water intake. Some bottles even glow to remind you to take a sip. Price range: $50 to $100. Smart water bottles adjust your hydration goals based on daily activity and weather conditions. Whether you're hiking or exploring a new city, it's like having a personal hydration coach, ensuring you stay healthy wherever you are. Number 6, portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Staying connected is key, and portable Wi-Fi hotspots like Skyroam Solus provide secure internet access anywhere in the world. These devices create a private Wi-Fi network, connecting you to local networks without hefty roaming charges. Price range: $100 to $200. With the ability to connect multiple devices, you can ensure your phone, laptop, and tablet stay online. Many portable hotspots double as power banks and come with built-in VPNs for added security, making them perfect for remote work or keeping in touch with family and friends. Number 7, Compact travel drone. Capture stunning aerial shots of your travels with a compact travel drone like the DJI Mini 3. These drones offer high-quality video in a portable, foldable design. Price range: $400 to $1,000. Despite their small size, these drones don't compromise on quality. They feature 4K video, image stabilization, and intelligent flight modes, perfect for capturing incredible footage of landmarks and landscapes. Whether exploring islands or mountains, these drones provide a perspective you won't get with photos alone. Number 8. RFID blocking wallet. Finally, protect your personal information with an RFID blocking wallet like those from Travelambo or Bellroy. With the rise of contactless payments, these wallets block electronic pickpocketing, ensuring your cards and sensitive data are secure. Price range: $20 to $100. These wallets are designed with travelers in mind, offering plenty of space for cards, passports, and cash. Some models even include money clips or hidden pockets for added security, giving you peace of mind in crowded areas like airports or markets. And there you have it! These are the top gadgets for smarter, smoother travel in 2024. From smart luggage to portable Wi-Fi, these gadgets are designed to make your trips more enjoyable and stress-free. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and reviews. Until next time, happy travels!